Hello, today I am going to show you the basic knowledge of Excel, which I believe every Excel user should know. So, in Excel is divided into two parts, row and column. So, if you see on the screen, these are row, which identifies by the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. These all are row, and these are column A, B, C, D, E, F, G. These are columns, and the intersection point between row and column is a cell. So the unique part of in Excel is the every cell, each cell has a unique cell address. How you will get the address? Just click on the cell, and in the cell address in the name box you will see the address of that selected cell. Correct. So this is the uniqueness of the Excel. Okay, so let's see how Excel works. So Excel is a spreadsheet. Whatever calculation is possible in the mathematics you can do in the Excel. Like I want to add 5 plus 2, we can do the addition, we can do the subtraction, division, multiplication, etc, etc. Now how we will do the calculation in Excel? For every calculation, that should start with a equal to sign. So suppose I want to add 5 plus 2, so first I have to put equals to sign, then I have to write 5 plus sign and 2. This will give me a 7. If I write 5 plus 2, it will not calculate, because Excel will not understand that you want to calculate this number. So for that you have to start with equal to sign, like this. And in the view, in the cell, you can see there is a 7, but in the formula bar you can see the formula. So actually what is the formula have been used in the cell is visible in the formula bar. This is formula bar. Correct. Now we can, if I want to multiply 5 into 2, this will give me number. If I want to divide 10 divided by 2, see, it's calculating. So this is the basic concept of calculation in Excel. Okay, now suppose let me prepare something. Now name and the marks, suppose computer chemistry. So two subjects, name Steve, John, Ram, Shyam. Now you can increase the column size. As if you go to this join section, you will get a bold plus sign. So you just click and drag, you can just see, you can increase and decrease the size. Same goes for rows. If you want to decrease or increase the size, you can do that. Or you can just do a right click, choose row height, and if you want to make the row height volume, you can write here. So using this option you can increase or decrease the row or column heights. For column just do a right click and choose column width. Right. So now let's come to the point. Let's put their marks. So out of 10 Steve got 9, in chemistry out of 10 8. So I'm putting a random number. If anybody is watching this video and his name is Steve John Ramsam, so don't get me wrong, I'm just giving a sample number. 7 9 6 8 7 4. Okay, now here suppose I want to get total number, so I have to add this 9 and 8. So what will I do? I will just do a plus equals to sign and write 9 plus 8. Correct, it gives me a number. But for John I have to write again equals to sign, then 7 plus 9, then it will give me this number. So suppose I have a 500 student name, so for that I have to write this formula every time, which is not possible. It will take lots of time. So what will I, why we will use Excel, correct? So here we are putting the numbers, so instead of number we will use the cell address. Like for 9 the cell address is B2, and for C chemistry 8 the cell address is C2. So here we will put a equals to sign. We will just click on the number 9 which is B2 and put a plus sign, then we will click the number 8 for chemistry which is C2, then put a, you can press the enter or you can click on this check enter box, the check box. See, you get the number, correct? Now the best part is you just copy this, and or you can just drag it. If you see there is a dotted in the lower right corner, there is a dot, so just go to that dot, your cursor will become plus. See, pull plus sign, just click and drag it and just see this address gets changed. So when it's the this is dragged, the number is getting changed. See, for Steve it's B2 plus C2, for John it's C2 C3 plus B3, for Ram B4 plus C4, for Syam it's B5. So the cell address is also getting changed, correct? So this we should know whenever we do. So suppose here instead of dragging we can do just copy, select and paste. See, so you have to be remember that this cell address is getting changed whenever your destination cell gets changed, correct? Now I want to get the percentage of the Steve, John, Ram and Sam. How many percentage out of 20? So 10 for computer, 10 for chemistry. So total marks is 20. So 20 is my total marks. Correct. Now I want to find out the percentage. What percentage Steve got, what percentage John got, what percentage Ram, and what is the percentage for Sam. So now I have to, what I have to start again, equals to sign. Now I have to here the total which is D2 divided by 20, correct, which is F1. Now I press the enter. See, I got the percentage sign, which is 0.85. Now just change the format, percentage, you will get the percentage. Now just drag it. See what happens in for John. If I go to and see the formula bar, if you see the formula, so formula is saying D3 divided by F2, but for Steve it's D2 divided by F1. Correct. What happened when I drag it? This F1 become F2, and for Ram it becomes F3, and for Sam it becomes F4. So as my destination cell is changing, my source cell is also changing. So for that, what I have to do, as I don't want to change my F1 cell, my F1 should be fixed, only my D2 will get changed. Correct. So for that, in F2, just we have to provide a dollar sign before row number and column number. You can also click here and press F4 to change it. See, I'm pressing F4. So this is F1, the pressing F4, this is the first. Now it's freeze, so it's called as a freeze to row and column. So it gets freezed. Now if I use dollar sign before the one, it means that row will get freeze, and for F, if I put dollar F, it means my column get freeze. Correct. Now I want to row and column both get freeze, so I want to put dollar in F and 1 both. Now I will just drag it. See, now we are getting the percentage of this. Correct. So let me clear you the freeze panes, how freeze panes work. Suppose I am clicking here equals to sign, and I want to put this 20 everywhere. I just put a dollar F dollar 1. Correct. If I drag it, this will give me this address. Correct. See, F1 for every, for F1. Now here I will use the second option. So my 1 is freeze. Correct. F F is not freeze, but 1 is freeze. Now press enter. Now I just copy or just drag it. Now you can see for this case F1, for this G1, H1, I1, J1. My 1 is freeze. If I drag it further down, you just see my F1 is freeze, but these are gets changes. Columns is getting changes. Correct. Now the third one, if I freeze F, not the one, that I freeze the column, not the row, then how it, what happened? See, for this case it's F1, but if I drag it to down, see that F1 become F2. This case is F2, 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 F2. So this is the logic behind the freeze, which is used using the dollar sign. So this is the basic calculation methodology, the method we used in Excel. I think this should every Excel user should know about this calculation. Okay. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe.